Welcome to Easy Kids Art. Today we are drawing a cute tiger. Let's start with the eyes. Draw two big round eyes. Then add a small nose and a happy smiling mouth. Next, draw the round head and cute ears. Now continue with the small, chubby body. Add 4 short legs with tiny paws. Don't forget to draw the long curved tail. Add some grass on the ground. Also, add some stripes on the face, body, and tail. Great job! Now it's time to color. Add black or dark brown for the stripes. Color the body with orange. Use white for the face and belly. You can also add a little darker orange for shading to make it look more lively. And done! Your cute tiger is ready! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with your friends. See you in the next drawing! Bye!